carpet. Kerman is situated in the arid and almost barren part of the Iranian plateau, where the people began an unabated effort for reaching water. And it was in the light of this endeavor that they came up with novel architecture. Paisley is one of the most famous patterns of this part of the country. These carpets are reflections of the spirit of such searching people who were used to low supply of water, but whose art and creation are gardens replete with flowers, reproducing the heaven on the desolated land. And this is a carpet made in Yazd. Khorasan, a memorial of Greater Khorasan, which is the cradle of Iran's Islamic civilization, culture, and science. A land which enjoys an unending blessing owing to the shrine of the Muslims' eighth Imam. These carpets, which adorn the pure shrine of Imam Reza, peace be upon him, have been woven in the large carpet weaving workshops of Astan Quds Razavi. Kurdistan. A land situated in the mountainous northwestern region of Iran, whose inhabitants belong to the oldest Iranian generation, living at the foot of the Zagros Mountains. The most common designs and motifs woven in Kurdistan are fish or mahi and rose or gulfarang. This region's carpets display a delightful and pleasant nature. Kurdistan's carpets are mainly woolen ones with a variety of designs, and some of them, such as the Bijar carpets, are famous internationally. These designs, which are symbols of the artist's ceaseless talent, are rooted in a long history, still used to date. Kashan, a city with hundreds of historical monuments, and a people with hundreds of artistic talents. Kashan has been a major carpet weaving center since long ago. Its artists have established the city as one of the most prominent cities in this industry by creating unrivaled carpets. It is asserted that it was from this city that the medallion and cornerpiece pattern spread to other parts of Iran and enriched the designs of other regions. The diversity in weaving and design has been so great in Iran's carpet weaving history that today this country possesses a huge treasure of experience. the Holy Land, which is the pilgrimage site of millions of the pious. And this is Qom's carpet, a token of the zenith of grace. The carpets of this city are mainly of silk and enjoy special fame. Hamadan, the abode and restplace of the celebrated Iranian scientist and scholar Avicenna. Today, the people of this land weave a variety of designs into the warp and weft of carpets. Each of these colorful carpets have been woven in rural workshops which are not very far apart, yet their creations vary greatly. And this is a Saruq carpet, displaying the secret of life in such mysterious and intermingled designs. Persian rugs and carpets have maintained their exquisite status in all world markets owing to their genuine designs and weavings. Today, each Persian carpet and rug is globally known by the name of its origin, the most important of which were introduced in this program. Statistics indicate that Iran's carpet exports last year amounted to $1 billion. What are the important factors and obstacles involved in the export of Persian carpet? In our next program, we will discuss the export of carpet, existing bottlenecks, matters related to exports, and improving carpet quality. Garden, Part 7. Of all traditional arts whose values are determined by their colors and patterns, carpet is the most exquisite. Throughout history, carpet has always existed in this country. The never-ending Silk Road has probably witnessed thousands of these carpets carried to faraway lands in the East and the West. Some 400 years ago, Isfahan was the trade center of Iran. For the merchants of the world doing thriving business there, carpet trade was the most profitable.
ذکر حتما بایستی از سلسله صفویه به میون بیاریم که از قرن دهم هجری یا 16 میلادی این سلسله تأسیس شد.
Carpet weaving in workshops began during Safavid era in 16th century. Patterns became more complicated and carpets were woven in larger sizes. We can say that carpet exports began during that time. Of course, these carpets were mostly gifts for royal families in foreign countries. Iranian carpet has ever since emerged in foreign markets in larger volume. Carpet designs have been adjusted to foreign tastes during the past 100 years. Today, export of carpet amounts close to $1,000 million. In comparison, China had $350 million, Turkey $255 million, and Pakistan $151 million worth of carpet exports last year. This shows that Iran has a good competitive capability, but this is not enough. Measures should be taken to maintain the present markets and penetrate newer and better ones. Last year, Iran's carpet exports to Germany was 48% of the country's total carpet exports.
The Grand Domotex exhibition in Hanover, Germany, is the largest carpet market of the world. Businessmen with different nationalities who display their hand-woven goods turn the fair into a collection of human cultures. Iran's carpet exports wasn't very favorable till